All right, y'all, this is a whole nother day. As you can see, we have the SRT front bumper. I believe this is upside down. Packaging looks all right. Make sure everything's on. I believe this is the upper grill. Yep. And this is fog lights down in there. This is the bezel for the fog light it goes in. I hope it really comes. Really hope it comes with the lights. So it says auto lamp. I think this might be the hold on one second. Let's see if I can open this. Where's that knife I had? Okay. Sorry for the shaky camera. Open up this box for y'all. I don't think I have to do all that. Run up from the top. Okay. No, we gotta go buy. I think we gotta go buy the bulbs. Good little telescope looking. Yes, we gotta go buy the bulbs. Crap. Hold on real quick, y'all. I don't know if the camera could pick up that audio in the background that TV was on. This is just one of them. Put that back in the box. So let's go check out the car real quick. Man, I swear we're gonna adjust this, man. It's the Duraflex hood, so take a good look of the front bumper. It's the SRT front bumper, so you wanna take this out and reveal it. Oh, and another thing is, I also have, see, my car has the adaptive cruise control, so I had to buy the grill, and you have to buy this separately, the bracket, so that just pops in there. I low-key really feel like I got scammed, because all they did was took the grill and they cut it. And that's all they did, but, so, that's what we're gonna do, pop that open. I'm not really gonna show step-by-step of the installation process because there are too many videos out there, so I'm just gonna pretty much just show me after I done put it on, okay? All right, see y'all later. Okay, guys, sorry for all the mess, okay? This is the front bumper right here. So, of course, this comes in this flat black type of look or primer type of look. We gotta get it painted. There's the upper and lower grill. As you can see, like I said, I have the adaptive cruise control, so let me see. They really just kind of pop in there. Give me one moment. So, I'm gonna pop it in here. I'm just gonna get everything kind of mocked up real quick. Okay. Completed. Yeah, we gonna work on that. That's right there. Fog lights are in, working. That still bothers me. It's the best I can do. Oh man, Duraflex. Now we getting that rear bumper on. Yo. Hey. It's all a work in progress, man.
That's all it is, man.
Yep.
All right, man.